Hello, BMW MINI. This is an 8.8 inch LCD screen. This unit developed different problems. So first of all, if you look on this one, the anti-glare protection is scratched, completely scratched. But this one came to us because there was no image. So if you want to replace the screen, it's not a difficult process. Switch it on the back. You have a Phillips screw here. And just open the screw. Then with the pry tool, you have clips. So 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. So you need to start and pry it off. 1, 2, 3. And this is how you pry off the frame. And then start from the corner, middle, side, and the frame will come off. Now turn the screen around, gently lift it, don't apply any pressure, or if you want you can put it down and just lift the cover. Now you need to disconnect the backlight, so it will be like a lift clip. Slide the connector out, do the same with the LCD screen, slide it out, and then just this little board just lifts up. Then if you want to replace it, you have this ribbon which you need to disconnect. Okay, same process. Bring the new screen, install the ribbon, slide it in. There is a gap on the side, so when you insert the ribbon inside, you need to check the gaps on the side that you slide it in properly, and just close this strap. Okay, then install the board. Secure the board back in place. Don't apply pressure, just find a spot to lock it in. Do not force it in. Okay. Slide the ribbon flex. Slide the backlight. Slide it in. Slide it in and lock it. Look, before you install it back to the frame, you need to remove the protective film. And you need to remove the screen protector. If you don't remove it now, it will be a bit difficult later on. So gently, don't apply any pressure, slowly just remove it. Okay, now to be sure that you don't scratch it, put something facing down, come back with the panel, align it with the screw, needs to go inside of this metal frame, so needs to sit properly. Okay, when you are sure that is okay, put the Phillips screw back. And now you need to put the frame back. So to put the frame back, the easiest way to identify, look at these gaps on the frame. This is pointing up, but you don't start from here, you start from the top. So slide it in like this, align it with the holes, then just clip all around. I'm not happy on the top side, so I will open it again, release, release, release. Let's do it one more time. Okay, now it's okay. And then clip back. So now it's closed properly. So this is how you replace the screen on a BMW MINI 8.8. We will have later on a video on how to remove it from the car. We will provide you a link in the description from where you can purchase this LCD screen in case it's needed. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.